Hello student, today we have discussed the integral of this. This has finite limit but it is improper integral because of the function log x over root x. When we take 0 then it goes to infinite. So it is an improper integral, right? Now let us take the variables change. Take u is equals to root x, and when we change the variable then the limit is also changed, right? So du is equals to 1 over 2 root x dx, 2 du is equals to 1 over root x dx, right? When the change of limit is x equals to 0, then u is equals to also 0. When you put 0 there, then u is equals to 0. When you put 1 here, then u is equals to 1. So the limit is same. Taking the limit and put the value of this root x to the power whole square, this will become log of u to the power square, because when we take du is equals to 1 over 2 root x, so this will become 2 log 2 0 to 1 log u du, right? This is still improper because the value of log u is undefined at u is equals to 0. Rewrite with the limit 0 to 1. When the 0 is the limit where the function is not defined, then take the limit t tending to 0 plus 2 to t to 1 log u du. Now let us integrate it. Integration by part. U du u log u minus u t to 1. When the limit of t is 0 plus, so minus 2 minus limit t tending to 0 plus 2 t log t minus t. This will become this will become plus 2 log limit t tending to 0 plus t. This limit is 0 and only left out at this, but it is also in indeterminate form because t log t limit of t is not defined. So this is of the form 0 dot minus infinity type indeterminate form. So taking the L'Hospital rule, this will become log t over 1 over t, which is taking the derivative of this log t derivative of this 1 over t ka derivative of this minus t square upon t, which is minus t, taking the limit of t tending to 0 plus, which is equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, then the function's value become, this will whole become 0, so only left out is minus 2. So the minus 2, it is finite value, then the integral is convergent.